Welcome to another CMD tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to format a disk using CMD. All right, it's pretty easy to do. Just run your CMD right here and make sure that it is on administrator. Just click on yes, as there will be a pop-up. All right, what we're going to type in here, diskpart, hit enter. Now go ahead and list the disk, hit enter. Right here, as you can see, I have two disks available. One, which is the one that I'm currently using, or which is my OS drive. Right here, this drive, which is 223 gigs, I'm going to show you. Right here, this is the one I'm going to format for this example. All right. So as you can see here, just identify it by the size. For example, here, 223 gigs is under disk 0. All right. So what we're going to do is select disk 0. All right. Once done, just hit on enter. Now, local disk D right here, or disk 0 is selected. Now type in clean, hit enter, and wait for the process to finish. As you can see here, it's now gone. And what we're going to do in here is just type in create partition, so we can recover it. Create partition primary, hit enter. It says here diskpart succeeded in creating the specified partition. So what we're going to do is just to complete the format process, just type in format space fs is equals to NTFS, as that drive was NTFS. All right, NTFS, it could be FAT32 right here. Then type in quick to make the process quick. All right, hit on enter. As you can see here, there's a progress bar. Just wait for it. It'll be quick. As you can see here, it's done. Now let's just assign a letter. Just type in assign and hit on enter. As you can see here, as easy as that, we just formatted the drive. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.